And here we go with match 20. Both alliances sending their largest bots out to collect as much fuel as they can with their enormous hoppers. Blue Alliance's Sub-Zero scoring massive points for their team. At the end of auto, it's Blue Alliance with the early lead. Red Alliance will have the initiative going into the next phase. Sub-Zero scooping up so much fuel in that massive hopper of theirs, articulated, expanding and contracting as it fills up. 1477 Crash Out taking advantage of their small size and maneuvering through the trenches into the blue zone. The blue hub illuminates. Sub-Zero takes aim and overshoots the hub by just a bit, recorrecting. Now they're getting it. Now they're widening the lead for the Blue Alliance. Trying to play some defense. Buying time for the Red Alliance. Their hub illuminates. They take shots. Their other two teammates, Iris and Gamma Ray, scoring accurately on target into their hub. They're closing the gap. They still have a ways to go. Now it's time for the blue team. A Red Alliance bot still harassing and playing in the Blue Alliance zone. Causing mayhem. Buying time for the Red Alliance. The flag on the play. Too much mayhem. They're going to have to ease off unless they want more fouls. It's the Blue Alliance's hub illuminated. It's the end game. That's the end of round 20. Please stand by for the official results. Takes the victory here in the 20th round after all is said and done.